Good Sunday! Hey, let's make some ribeye steak. It occurred to me we haven't made ribeye in Revere Ware yet. How is that possible? Here we have a 97 Revere Ware, one of the later models. Pretty thin. 97. 9-inch. Perfect size. I think we need to make a steak! And I'm going to try something out. We're going to use our homemade shortening. This is a mixture of Crisco, corn oil, and a little lecithin for our nonstick properties. You use it on a flat top grill. Just a tiny bit. Wipe the pan. Light coat. Gonna wipe some on here. Salt and pepper. We'll massage it with our hands in a minute. Hey! Oh! Flip her over. We're going to use the constant flip method. We're going to flip every 30 to 40 seconds. 337 over here. Hotter over here than over there. Pretty. Cut her open. Cut right down the middle. We got some nice pink in there. A little overcooked on the edges. Oh, the cap is pretty. The cap is pretty. That's not too bad for Revere Ware, I would say. Let's take a bite. Oh, bloody. Tastes good. It's steak. What is it about steak? Boy. I haven't had steak in a while. This was on sale. We buy it with those yellow stickers from Walmart. This is Walmart. First time I ever cooked a steak in Revere Ware. I think that came out pretty good. So far the best steak I've made is in Guardian Service, I have to say. It's Sunday. We're having steak. Thanks for joining me this Sunday. You know what I'm going to say? What am I going to say? Oh, it's tender. Thanks for watching.